Good day, agents. Welcome back to another top secret math mission. This is Agent Axel, reporting live from the Department of Mathematical Mysteries. Today, we've been assigned a very special case, the investigation of rational inequalities. These sneaky expressions love to hide behind fractions, change signs and confuse students everywhere. But not today. Using logic, clear communication, and a little detective flair, we'll solve this case and reveal its secret intervals of truth. Alright, agents, let's solve the first secret file.
Now, this is a tricky case you will solve sent by our other agents to help. First step, we will need to get the zeros of our denominator and numerator. And now this would be -3 and +1. After we got our zeros from our numerator and denominator, we will test them if they are true or false to our rational inequalities. So let's start our numerator and we will insert it into the value of our x. Let's evaluate. -3 plus 3 will be 0, and -3, -1 will be over -4 is less than or equal to 0. 0 divided by any number is 0, so this statement is true. Let's test our +1 from our denominator. 1 plus 3 over 1 -1 less than or equal to 0, so this is 4 over 0 less than or equal to 0, so this would be undefined or false. Now, let's graph and find those values. After we put the -3 and +1 to the graph, we will put a dot in the -3 since it's included, or true, and circle for the 1 because it's undefined. There are 3 intervals, and yes, you can put any number, just be sure it's in the middle of your interval. So I will be putting -5, 0, and 4. And then I will test each of the intervals. So let's test -5. X plus 3 over x minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So again, we will insert the value of x to our -5. -5 plus 3 over -5 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So this would be -1 over 6 less than or equal to 0. This is false. And the next one will be our second interval. 0 plus 3 over 0 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. So this will be 3 over -1 is less than or equal to 0. Is -3 less than or equal to 0? So this would be true. And for our last interval, wait, this would be 4. Sorry, agents. So 4 plus 3 over 4 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. This would be 7 over 3 is less than or equal to 0. This would be false. The left and right intervals are not included, meaning all the numbers in the middle interval will satisfy the rational inequality. So meaning our answer will be between -3 and 1. On the -3, we will put a square bracket because it's included. And for the 1, we will put a parenthesis because it's not included. So this will be our final answer.
And that's the end of our top secret mission, agents. We've solved this sneaky case together. Remember, math isn't just about numbers. It's about finding truth through reasoning. So keep investigating, keep questioning, and never stop learning. This is Agent Axel, signing off from the secret files of math investigation. Case closed. Until the next mission.